Welcome to this English lesson on the present tense of the verb to be and how to give short answers. In this video, you will learn how to respond quickly and naturally to yes or no questions using short answers like yes, I am, and no, I'm not. This is a fundamental skill for everyday English conversations. First, let's review the present tense forms of the verb to be. For positive statements, we say, I am, you are, he/she/it is, we are, and they are. For negative statements, we add not to the verb. We say, I'm not, you aren't, he/she/it isn't, we aren't, and they aren't. These are the basic forms you need to know before making short answers. Now let's look at short answers for each pronoun. When someone asks, am I? You answer yes, I am, or no, I'm not. For are you? You say yes, you are, or no, you aren't. For is he, she, or it? You respond yes, he is, or no, he isn't. For are we? You say yes, we are, or no, we aren't. Finally, for are they? You answer yes, they are, or no, they aren't. Notice how the pronoun and verb form in your answer match the question. Let's look at two real conversation examples. In the first conversation, person A asks, are you a student? And person B answers, yes, I am. Then person A asks, is he your friend? And person B responds, no, he isn't. In the second conversation, person A asks, are they ready? And person B says, yes, they are. Then person A asks, is it cold today? And person B answers, no, it isn't. These examples show how short answers are used in natural dialogue. Here is an important rule to remember. In short answers, always use the full form of the verb to be when answering yes. For example, we say yes, I am, not yes, I'm. We say yes, you are, not yes, you're. We say yes, he is, not yes, he's. However, in negative short answers, you can use contractions. You can say no, I'm not, or no, I am not. Both are correct. But remember, no contractions in positive short answers. Let's compare correct and incorrect short answers. The correct way is, yes, I am. Yes, you are. Yes, he is. Yes, we are. Yes, they are. The incorrect way is, yes, I'm. Yes, you're. Yes, he's. Yes, we're. Yes, they're. Always remember this rule. Use the full form for positive answers. Never use contractions like I'm or you're in affirmative short answers. Now let's practice. Here are some questions and sample answers. When asked, are you ready? You can answer, yes, I am, or no, I'm not. For is she a teacher? Answer, yes, she is, or no, she isn't. When asked, are they happy? Respond, yes, they are, or no, they aren't. And for am I late? You say, yes, you are, or no, you aren't. Try these questions yourself to practice making short answers. Let's review the key takeaways. First, use full forms in positive answers. Yes, I am. Yes, you are. Yes, he is. Second, use contractions in negative answers. No, I'm not. No, you aren't. No, he isn't. Third, always match the pronoun from the question in your answer. If someone asks, are you? You answer with I, but if they ask, is he? You answer with he. Finally, remember that short answers are quick, natural replies used in real conversations. Practice these patterns regularly to become fluent and confident.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.